Good evening, all. Today we are going to see about what is digital marketing, why the digital marketing needed at 2025 or generally. As a digital marketing is one type of it's a marketing in the online platforms. So so that it will be the useful to others, those who are branding, those who are collaborating with others. For example, we can take it as Arun ice cream. So they are branding in the social media, likewise they are kept as a page as a Instagram and Facebook, and any other threads or any other social media. They are collaborating with other partners, and they are conducting the short workshops or some other campaignings to others. This ice cream is so good, this ice cream is students will love, this ice cream will childrens will love, and they are taking the so many various types of tastes, like strawberry ice cream, vanilla ice cream, butterscotch, some other ice creams. So these are the known as digital marketing as per the simple terms. Why should digital marketing? If we know digital marketing, we can share the other details to collaborate with the other partners. It is easy to make, and they will combine and they will give the commission per month also. Why? Because we are branding the other collaborators, so that we will got as per commission, as per 1 to 2% commission, or some other big companies they are giving. For example, we can take it as five-star hotel. One person is branding, I mean one person is promoting the video, like for example, we can take it as a hotel Taj Hotel. So that what they do means, now one person is going to hotel, they are ordering the various items, and they are tasting and they are promoting the video like na super amazing, yummy, the taste was nice, including the buffet system. They are sharing their own content also, plus they are sharing the feedback to the people. So that this digital marketing is nowadays so important to learn that. So that the digital marketing is so important to learn. As per the what is digital marketing? Digital marketing as a promotion of services, any other. For example, we can take it as Uber. Uber is an example for sorry. Uber is an example for the taxis, and but while scrolling on the YouTube, if you're going to we are going to other places, the ad will be promoted to YouTube or any other digital marketing. If you are going, and after then that they will ask feedbacks also. That feedback they will conveying into the one of new things. So they will improve the services, they will take it as a new improvement to the drivers also, and including the improvement in the mapping. So many things are available. So these are the examples. So for example, we can take it as per before the Diwali was happened. So many different sweets were dedicated. The one of the example was got this Ganga Sweets, Chennai Ganga Sweets. So they was allotted. What they meant, the Ganga Sweets, they are doing perfectly, and they are providing hygienic sweets and healthy sweets, without off of the sugar sweets and sugar sweets. They are having the list of types, and on time serving to the customers. The customers feedbacks was so super. So these are the one type of branding. It is in a direct branding, and another branding is like Instagram, Facebook, the threads, YouTube channel, and some other content creators will be promote the Ganga sweets. This will be the digital marketing. They have six type of digital marketing as per affiliate marketing, social media marketing, influence marketing, content marketing, mail marketing, search engine optimization is the important. Pay per click is the another important. Okay. First, we'll see about affiliate marketing. Affiliate means I'm going to another shop to buy a clothes, which will be the after I'm putting it is so correct and I like the design also. I'm promoting as a video. It is called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. I'm proud to be a customer for the shop. I'm telling like that. This is an affiliate marketing. Okay, social media marketing, including all the things, including job platform also. As per job platform, it's another thing. Job platform like the LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and any other social media platforms, WhatsApp, including these are the social media branding, and it will be the awareness to other students. For example, I'm started YouTube channel. I'm sharing to friends and families, and I'm sharing the my link to the other friends also. So I'm telling that to share to your friends. If it is useful, they will subscribe or else not now. So this is one of the example. Another influence marketing. Influence marketing, they will call from any other stores or any other marketing area, and we need to brand it that shop. As per for example, we can take it as Snega Silks. They have coordinated, they have branded. As per branding was doing, as per branding was doing as an influencer is Snega madam. So this is an example. So we can tell it that they are promoting us in the videos and some other trending videos also. So this one is another example. And another thing, content marketing, about writing content, target, and what are they are doing. If it is in a research based, they need to write in a research, as I mean research part of area. So we need to attract. Likewise, content marketing it is useful at mail, mail, uh, mail, Outlook. Some other examples we can do it. And mail marketing. Oh yeah, yes, the mail marketing. And another thing, search engine optimization. While searching my channel or while searching my LinkedIn ID, Kamali Sridhar, it will be the reflect on first set of my first set as in a website or on any other LinkedIn option. So this is optimizing website to higher rank. While optimizing the different or updating new things, it will be the new categorized. It will be the analytics, it will be search, and it will be the computerization, and it will be the monetization also. Monetization also. This one pay per click. And pay per click ads, it's based on Google Ads, Meta Ads, and some other ads, including online. For offline, we are going out, we can see the big banners, posters in the side or any other top of the buildings. So it will be they are paying to ads, and it will be the attract to the peoples. They are oh okay, okay we can buy it. For example, the Pothys, the Pothys, Pothys or Saravana stores, Corompet, we can take it out. On the entering on Corompet, we can see the top of the big banner. While attraction, oh okay, the people will say we can go. They are having a cheaper, the cheap of the dresses. The dress will be the cheaper, and cost is affordably. So we can go and buy. These are all direct. Direct ads. For business ads in the online basis, we can choose it on LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, some other threads, any other examples. So this is the digital marketing. And the next video we will see about what are the skills we need to need it. As per the one of the comment was come, so that I'm take it as in a playlist, because while playlist it will be the go continuously, what should do, what should not do, I will tell it out, and continuously it will be go it on. Sometimes a video will be come consistently, or some other means kindly put message or keep forward message to me. Thank you all. Like and share and subscribe. and chat to your friends also. If any of the doubts, connect with me the LinkedIn or any other Instagram page also. I will solve your doubts. Or if any want a consultation about based on career guidance, go to the TopMed website in the under the description. Click then, and if they will be allotted career guidance, you book it on. We will see you there. Thank you so much.